Alright, so we're up here just looking for some mushrooms. Haven't seen any yet, but we just started. We gotta go all the way up there. There's the pond. But we gotta go way up that way. Anybody want a cow skull or cow bones? We've got a plethora. Well, here we are up at the top of our little section of woods. There's the pond down there. There's actually kind of a smaller little pond, but it won't hold water, so. Still searching. Hadn't found any yet.
There's a bunch of those over my grandma's.
It must look very blue over there.
I wonder if I could get down there and take a picture now. Is this if I fall and bust my bottom?
Alright, I'm over here standing on top of one of our big rock bluffs. You see down a long, long ways. See here, what I'm standing on is just basically solid rock. Now, let's not fall off of this thing. I'd say this is a good 60 or maybe 75 feet up. Because, I mean, you know, you can see that tree right there. Eye level to that tree is about maybe 10 feet shy of being the full height of that tree. So we're pretty much eye level with the treetops that are down there. It's pretty neat though, kind of exploring stuff. Pretty peaceful up here. Sometimes out here in nature you kind of have time to think about stuff. Just like when I'm in nature, what I usually think about is pick one specific spot. You know, like right there. Pick one specific spot and touch it with your finger, like that. No other human being in eternity has ever touched this specific spot, I guarantee it. This spot too, probably. Just pick a spot and touch it, and you're the only person that's ever touched that spot in eternity. Go ahead and crowd up in your big cities and live on top of each other in filth and trash, and I'll just stay out here not bothering anybody and enjoy myself.
I heart you, backwoods patriot.